Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're going to be creating a makeup look using a few new products that were actually sent out to me, which I'm super excited about. If you guys do not know, Profusion just went ahead and released their holiday collection, which the minute I seen that they were going to have these items, I was already living for. So I'm excited to try these new products out here with you guys. So I hope you guys do enjoy this video. And yes, you guys, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with this video. So the first product that I'm going to go ahead and show you guys is actually this highlight and contour palette, which is this one right here. As you guys can see around it, it does have the gold with glitter, which I thought it was the perfect idea ever for releasing a holiday collection. Anything that has glitter, anything that has like shiny stuff on it, I'm like obsessed with. So the minute I seen that they were going to release this little cute palette, I was like, so the next product that I actually have here for you guys is actually the lips to go, which is this velvet lip kit, and this was in the shade Fears. I am obsessed with this shade right here, and as you guys can see as well, it has a little gold shimmer decoration on the packaging. So the next item they went ahead and sent out was this mixed metal palette, which is this one right here, and it's a 12-piece eye and face kit, which is perfect for any gift for the holidays. So this one's in pink sparkles, and as you guys can see, this one also has a shimmer around it, which is so cute. Let me go ahead and take this out so you guys can kind of see it. The lights and stuff is actually reflecting on the plastic, so you guys cannot really see what's inside this box. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Oh my god, look at these babies. It says it has 8 multiple finish eyeshadows, a highlighter and a blush, pink sparkling eyeliner, which I'm excited to try, and there's also a Pro Series blending brush, which is so cool that it comes with it and is also pink. So the next item that was actually sent out to me was the Bare and Eye palette, which is this one right here. This is so beautiful, it's so cute, and these are the shades that come in this palette right here. Last but not least, they actually went ahead and sent me the Wanderlust palette, which is this one right here. Oh my god. So the minute I seen that they were actually having this palette part of their holiday collection, I was like so stoked, you guys. I was just like, oh my god, the colors, it is so Christmassy. I could like picture like a beautiful like dark green tree with all these nice ornaments, and I fell in love. Like, all these shades are so beautiful. It does come with this double-ended brush, which is so cool. I do use these, so this is always handy, you guys. And this is a palette right here. These are the shades that come in this palette, and it has 21 shades that come in this palette, you guys. And another thing too that I noticed from the palette, you guys are gonna think, oh my god, you're so crazy for thinking that. The outside of this palette, it's actually glittery also, and I was just like, this is so cute. Thank you so much, Profusion, for sending these products out, and we're gonna go ahead and dive into them. We're gonna go ahead. Okay, you guys, before anything, I went ahead and already applied my foundation off camera. I also did my eyebrows off camera to speed the process. As my base for my lids, I'm actually using concealer. First, I'm gonna go ahead and apply translucent powder underneath the eye, just in case if there's any fallout. First, I'm gonna go ahead and apply Regal on my crease area. Oh, this is so freaking awesome. Now next, I'm gonna go ahead and use the shade Go Girl, and I'm gonna go ahead and blend this shadow out. And next, I'm gonna go ahead and use the shade Retro, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply this on the outer V of the eye. Oh my god, these shades are so beautiful, you guys. Like, I am like living for this palette, you guys. I'm telling you, the minute I seen it, I was just like, oh my god, yes. Now next, I'm gonna go ahead and grab some concealer, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply this on my lid area. Now next, I'm gonna go ahead and use this shade Splash, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply this on my lid area. I'm gonna go ahead and wet my brush a bit. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and use the shade Nimbus, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply this on the lid area, this side right here, which is getting closer to the inner corner of the eye. Whoa, this is so beautiful, you guys. I'm like living for this shade. I'm gonna go ahead and use this highlight and contour, and I'm gonna be using the shade Peach Light, which is this lighter shade right here, and apply this on my brow bone area. Now next I'm gonna go ahead and apply the shade Regal underneath the lower lash line. Now next I'm gonna go ahead and blend the shade Regal that's underneath the lower lash line with the shade Good Girl. And for the inner corner, I'm gonna go ahead and apply the shade Frosting. So this is what I have so far for the eye. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is what I have so far for the eyes, and next we're gonna go ahead and bronze the face. Now for that, we're gonna be using the highlight and contour palette, which is this one right here. And we're gonna be using the shade Warm Sculpt, and we're gonna go ahead and contour the face. I'm gonna go ahead and apply a little bit of translucent powder underneath the contour to make it more defined. I'm also gonna go ahead and contour the nose. And I'm also gonna go ahead and apply translucent powder on the sides of my contour and on the bridge of the nose. I'm excited to use this blush right here. This one's in the shade Serene, and I'm actually living for it. This is like a really pretty palette, which I'm excited to actually try later on and create a look for you guys. So I am excited for that, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply some blush. This is a really pretty blush, and I'm actually living for it, you guys. So let me go ahead and remove the translucent powder. I'm gonna go ahead and leave this one on. I'm gonna go ahead and do my lips right now. Now next, I'm gonna go ahead and do a nude lip. I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips with Nude Intrigue by Profusion. Now for lips, I'm gonna go ahead and use the shade, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply this all over my lips. So this concludes today's video, you guys. Hope you guys did enjoy this video of me creating this look. I had an amazing time creating this look, and let me let you guys know that this palette is so bomb.com. I was able to create this beautiful fun look for you guys, and I totally recommend you guys getting your hands on this palette. This is a must-have in your collection. You could even give it out as a gift. And yes, you guys, all the products that I used in this video will be linked down below for you guys to go ahead and check out. And for those of you guys that are new to this channel, welcome. Thank you so much for being subscribed to this channel. And for those of you guys that are returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for being subscribed to this channel and being part of this journey. And for those of you guys that are new to this channel and haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit the little subscribe button down below, as well as hit the little notification button right next to it so you can be alerted whenever I upload a new video. I also do have social media, which I'll be leaving all those links down below for you guys to go ahead and check out. And yes, you guys, this is it for this video. So until next time, be careful, be safe. Bye guys.